Mother, what is the problem?
I want to be left alone. Just leave me alone.
No. Not until you tell me what happened out there.
Amara, I'm not in the mood to talk. Can you please let me be? Go away.
Young man, the king demands your presence now.
Why? What does he want from me again?
When you get to the palace, you will find out. But for now, to the palace. Let's go. After you.
You know, you are very stubborn. You remind me of when I was still a prince. I was really, really very stubborn. Should I call that stubbornness? No, I must call that strong-willed. I was strong-willed. But you know, there's a difference between you and I. I was a prince. And as a prince, I can get away with everything, anything, whatsoever. I can do anything I like. But in your case, you are nobody. So I wonder what encourages you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Where's this boy? Anyway, I've been sad. Encountering stupid people like you have been making me really angry. I've not been myself for some time now. So my advisor, advised that I should employ a comedian. Because, laughter is good for the soul. I need to laugh to be able to function well. So I've been thinking, who can I employ? Who is that comedian I can employ? It's been on my mind. Okay, so you have the job. A job of a palace comedian. The job is to make sure I laugh. Anytime I'm angry, make sure I laugh. Do anything. Somersault 100 times. Say anything. And your main idea, your main focus is to make sure the king laughs. Okay?
But I'm sorry, I don't understand.
The problem with you is that you are daft, yet you're claiming stubborn. When I was stubborn, at least I can boldly say that I'm intelligent. You don't claim stubborn by having an empty skull. I just said something. That you will be the palace comedian. Your job is to make me laugh. Make the king laugh. Make him laugh. Okay?
But I'm not a comedian. I can't make you laugh.
Your stupidity is enough to make me laugh. You don't need to do much. You're stupid already. So just add more stupidity and I'll laugh. Guards! Take this man to his room. Your job starts now. Yeah. Do fast and come and make me laugh. I'm very angry. Better think of what to make me laugh.
How are you? I heard you are my brother's new worker. And you are a co-jester as well. Anyways, I'm in a very bad mood. Can I hear your joke, please?
My princess, are you really sure the king is brother to you and your twin sister?
Excuse me? Is that a joke?
My princess, because you are too gentle to be related to that beast.
Will you take back those words? Right now! Are you just referring to my brother, the king of this land, as a beast?
My princess, I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to provoke your anger.
What an audacity!
You know, you are such a flower compared to that monster in there.
Anyway, if that's a compliment, joke, I already feel better. Thank you. What's that your name again?
My name is Anozie. I am the only son of my poor father. I love my father so much. He is a good man.
Anozie, right? It feels so good to know that your father is a good man. Okay? Have a great day.
Who is that? What are you looking for?
See this one, what are you looking for? Now you get this place, I've been waiting. I beg, come on for you, make I enter. I say, what are you looking for? You know
what are you looking for now? You're asking me to...
You won't make I package you. No, you won't make I package you. See, Nzu Zogo, Rananti, Nfigi get it to
now your house with this.
Good day, Your Majesty.
What do you want?
I'm here to see my brother Alozie. He has been missing since he came to this place. Nobody has seen him. So we dey worried though. So I'm here to see him.
It's a good thing to know that you guys have been worried. You know. What are you packing? Come.
No way they touch me like this now. See this up.
I think I'll make you my wife.
Issy! Excuse me.
You heard me. You know, we used to be enemies, but I think I'll just consider making you my wife. I like the way you do the attitude around you. I think I'll just consider.
No need. See, as you see me so, I dey vex. My blood dey vex. My blood dey very, very hot. I know they here to come talk all these things. I'm here to see my brother Alozie. I won't carry and they go home. Don't know what they here they talk, I beg.
This is what I'm talking about. I love the stubborn aura around you. Okay? Take her to see. When you're done, you come back here.
They were coming by the follow me.
Greetings, Grandmother. Greetings, Grandmother.
So where do we go from here? What do we do?
Mother, we cannot stay here anymore. No. Mother, I cannot see the chance of this throne ever returning back to me. And I cannot continue to serve under my brother's son. No, I cannot continue to be a slave to him. A boy, I was there when his mother gave birth to him. No, we can't continue to stay here. Our only option is to leave this palace.
That man is a mad dog. That young man is raving mad.
Mother.
He will kill us anytime, anyhow, and anywhere.
Mother, don't worry. Leave the planning to me. Once I'm set, I'll let you know. Yes.
You are sure?
I assure you, Mother.
What happened to you? Tell me, what did that devil do to you?
He raped me.
Because he laid his hand on you?
Greetings to you, Nai. The king demands your presence now.
What for? He caused the death of my wife. Why is he summoning me?
Nai, do not waste our time and do not keep the king waiting.
Meaning what? But do you realize you are talking to an elder?
It is an order from the king, so he must come with us.
No. Point of correction. Underline that statement must. I must not go with you. Go back. Tell the king that I say I am coming.
Do not waste our time.
I'm wasting your time. Oh, okay. Go and tell the king that I'm coming.
The second paragraph of that document is cumbersome. So if you look at it, let me scrutinize it and then re-forward to them.
Oh, Chewbacca, you're here. Have a seat. Let me get you something. You are evil. You are wicked. As a matter of fact, you are a village tyrant and the worst thing to ever happen to this community. What manner of useless ruler are you?
Oh, Ijiofor, have you lost your mind? What manner of attitude is this? To talk to the king in such manner? Are you sick in the head?
You keep quiet, you puppet master. You think I don't know that you're the one deceiving him? Tell him to do what he's not supposed to do. Let me warn both of you for the last time. Stay clear from my family.
Excuse me?
Because I cannot sit and watch you destroy what I suffered to preserve. Sit. So I have better ways of dealing people of his kind.
Oh, okay.
Echewabaka, you called me a what? The village tyrant? Village tyrant, that's what I call you.
Excuse me? That's wrong.
Okay, you called for this.
That's right.
Echewabaka, you dare talk to me in that manner? Huh? That's. If I do, what will you do? What will you do? I said, what will you do? If I talk, what will you do? You're asking me. I will ask, and I'm still asking. What's wrong? Guys, do the needful. Move.
This is wrong.
Wicked village tyrant.
I sincerely do not support what you have done to that man. Yes, Echewabaka is a peaceful man. We all know that. And for him to be agitating like this, you must have done something to him. What did you do?
Get out of my presence before I roast you.
You roast me? How exactly are you going to do that? Look, let me just advise you. It is better you let that man go before you incur the wrath of the gods on your head.
Are you threatening me with the gods?
Princess.
Huh?
Princess, just leave before.
Yes, threaten me with the gods.
Princess. I warned you. I told you.
Just threaten me with the gods.
It's okay. It's okay. She's just a
You
woman.
raised your hand on me.
She's just a woman.
And as for you, deceiving my brother, you will pay for what you have done. Don't you?
It's okay. She's just a woman. But let me tell you something. You don't know nothing, so just leave. All right? You should know by now that I have control over him as my son. That's the way it is. I warned you. I'm still warning you. Take a leave. Or better still, get lost. It's wrong for you to stand this way.
Your son.
So selfish, without respect. Wonder what he feels, wonder what he thinks. Tomorrow is bigger than what you think. He's a beast in human clothing. He's full of pride. Beware of him.
This is unbelievable. How can Anozie leave this palace and nobody's aware of it?
It's not possible. Someone is behind it.
How could that be? Do you have anybody in mind?
I'm suspecting Princess Amara.
That's true. Because she has been close to Anozie since the king appointed him as the palace clown.
To think of it, she's the only one not in this palace.
I'm going to ask again for the very last time. Who amongst you released the prisoner I left yesterday night?
Is that why you summoned me to?
I do not trust you. Mother, where is Amara?
I don't know where she is. She didn't tell me.
Continue with my investigation. May God help whoever I found guilty. That person will have me to contend with.
That's right.
You have not told me exactly how you put up this words. You have not. What kind of question is that? What kind of talk is that, mother? I'm here to know. How is that? Come and open my mouth and hear the lie you want to hear.
I have come to know how your father is doing and to be sure he arrived home safely last night.
What do you want from us?
I know you are not happy with the royal household, but I am not in support of what my brother is doing. And that was why I released your father without his knowledge.
You know, I thought your brother was just wicked. I didn't know he's this evil. Did he tell you that he raped my sister?
I beg your pardon? What are you saying? Look, I know my brother has his shortcomings, but I won't have you stand there and speak ill of him like that.
Oh, you think I'm making this up, right? Why do you think my father was locked up? Because he went to warn your brother after he raped my sister.
What?
See, just go. Leave us alone. Just go. Leave us alone, please. Just go.
Wait, I'm not...
Your Majesty, the way you are looking at me is so sad. Have I done something wrong?
You see, respect that says reciprocal. I have been very, very kind to each and every one of you. respect you people. I try as much as I can, no matter how busy I am, to, sit almost all the time with the cabinet chiefs. Why do I do that? Because I want to have a proper relationship with my cabinet members. But then again, I noticed that you people are taking that for granted. And it got me wondering.
How do you mean, Your Majesty?
Ubaka came here a few days ago to insult me. Insulted my integrity. Called me all sorts of names. For what reason? Abused me verbally.
Well, that is because you raped his daughter. No, I am not out of my mind. My mind is very much intact. I am just coming back from Icheobaka's house. And Anoze told me everything. And then the man came here to register his displeasure as regards to what he has done. What did your king do? He locked him up. Yes. Oh. Kamdi, you have to change. You have to change from this nasty character of yours, else you will end up lonely. Excuse me.
What's wrong? That is so wrong.
Beware of him, he's a beast. In human clothing, no conscience at all. Beware of him, he's a beast. In human clothing, so full of pride, no human heart. He's a beast. In human clothing.
What relationship do you have with my sister?
The same kind of relationship she has with everyone in this palace.
Really? You think I'm here to banter words with you, right? Huh? You're forming stubborn for me. I ask you again, what kind of relationship do you have with my sister?
I'm replying you as plain as I can. I'm not afraid to reply.
No. Are you talking to me like that? Take this bastard out of my sister. Move!
Beware of him, he's a beast. In human clothing, no conscience at all. Beware of him, he's a beast. In human clothing, so full of pride, no human heart. He's a beast. In human clothing.
I want you to monitor my sister. You must be her secret shadow. Give me updates about her. Okay? A daily report. Where she's going, what she eats, who she's seeing, just everything about her. You must tell me.
Okay, Your Highness. I will. Promise.
Get to work.
Thank you, Your Highness.
What goes around always comes around. Just knowing that one day the truth must be.
Alazi, how are you?
What are you doing here? Please leave.
Can you at least hear me out first?
Princess, please, I don't want your brother's trouble.
I promise there will be no problem. Come on. Look, I got this for you.
What is this?
It's a gift. Why don't you take it and open it and see for yourself?
this for me?
Yes. Do you like it?
I love it. You see, Princess, I wasn't actually angry with you, but your brother.
It's okay. I understand.
You're welcome. Please, let me just hurry up and finish up what I'm doing, okay?
How about you teach me how to do that?
Please, please, please. You can't do this. I don't want your brother to chop off my head.
Just calm down, okay? I'm just teasing you.
Sorry for that.